Hi friends! Today we're learning how to make some scratch art.
You will need a paper clip or other scratch tool, a paintbrush, water, paper towel, and black tempera paint which scratches off best if mixed with a few drops of dish soap, a piece of paper, masking tape to tape down the edges of your paper, and crayons. Begin by covering your paper in a solid, thick layer of crayon. Try not to leave any gaps. You could use lots of different colors or just one color, it's up to you. Next, evenly paint a solid layer of the black tempera paint over the crayon. Allow the paint to dry completely. Then paint a solid second coat over the first coat of paint. Try to paint it thick enough that you don't see any crayon underneath, but you also don't want to leave any globs of paint. Allow the paint to dry. Then open the paper clip or get out your scratch tool and begin scratching your design. You can use things like a ruler or stencils to help create your design. And you may need to go over your lines more than once to scratch the paint off. Be careful though not to press too hard and tear your paper. You can do any kind of design you want. It could be a repeating pattern like this one, or anything else you come up with. Once your scratch work is all done, carefully remove the tape by pulling it in the direction away from the painting so it doesn't pull up any of the paint. What will your scratch art design look like?
Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Click like if you enjoyed the video and click subscribe if you'd like to see more awesome art videos. We'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.